putting art on the map. It's a Nesta AHRC Arts Council funded project. It is about engaging the public in new ways with our First World War art collection, and to generate some user content.
Fantastic. So what are you showing on the stand?
We're showing some examples of some of the images from the Imperial War Museums First World War art collection, which we've been using as the kind of basis for our crowdsourcing activities. So we've been doing crowdsourcing through social media and through the History Pin site. History Pin are our technical partner, and we've been having live events where we've got small groups of people to look at images and brainstorm kind of metadata and image data and kind of readings of the images kind of live.
So you're seeing increasing interest in this as we're ramping up to the anniversary for World War I. Have you got good levels of engagement and interest from business as well?
Yeah, I mean, obviously it's massive for the museum, and this project has been badged as a centenary project, and it will continue to be promoted throughout this year, certainly. In July, when the museum reopens with our new First World War exhibition, we also have a First World War art exhibition, so this project will kind of dovetail into that.
Fantastic. And have you been doing any particular technological innovation that's gone behind developing this? What are some of the challenges you faced?
Yes, we've been working with History Pin, which is a kind of a social media site which gets members of the public to comment on and kind of network around particular images. One of the nice things you can do with History Pin is to put an art image onto a street view, so you can map historical images onto contemporary street scenes. So we've been doing some things like that with History Pin.
So there have been two major things that we've done from a technical point of view. One, as Siân said, has been developing some new crowdsourcing tools to enable that kind of activity. And the second is that the museum has been developing a way of us capturing the user-generated content and then being able to pull it back into our collections management system.
Fantastic. So where can people go to find out more about this work?
So they can go to www.iwm.org.uk and type in putting art on the map, and they can find out about it, or they can look at our First World War art collection on our website, and also on historypin.com as well.
Or they can follow the hash #ArtMap on Twitter. Yeah,
that's great. Yeah, fantastic. Right, so we should be tweeting that out.